Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So today we are going to be making chinchin, and these are the list of ingredients, and I'm going to also leave it in the description box. So I'm just going to combine all the ingredients together, add in the water gradually, and if you want extra sugar you can make it 1.5 cup of sugar instead of 1 1/8 cup that I used. So you want to use little margarine and egg because those are the two ingredients that makes the chinchin to soak oil, and it will also make the oil to be, you see particles of chinchin under the oil and all of those stuff. So you want to use minimal quantity of butter and eggs. So this quantity I used here was perfect. But if you are going to be baking the chinchin, then you can add extra butter and eggs. So that's just the trick I have for you. And also the baking powder should not be too much, if not it's going to come out looking like buns. So this 1 tablespoon of baking powder is enough for this 2 mudu of flour, and it all came out fine, crunchy and nice. So give this a try. The only thing I would have done differently was to add a little bit extra sugar, but it was just okay for me. But considering the kids, I would have added a bit more. So you should put that in mind while making yours. If not, all other things came out perfect. So sugar is just to your preferred taste actually. So anyhow you prefer your sugar to be, that's how you are going to add it. So I was adding the water gradually until I now summed everything up to 2.5 cups. Then I used 1/8 cup twice. So that was what I did. So you can just do the calculation and know what that will give you. So it's better to add your water gradually than adding everything at once. So I was using the 1/2 cup as my guide. Thank you all so much, and today is Vlogmas day 23. I can't even imagine I was able to do this all through, but it has not been easy, like doing a video that same day, editing that same day and posting, make sure it goes up. And sometimes if I'm not fast enough to start uploading and it gets to, let's say, around 6 p.m, the network is going to be very choked up and my video will delay to upload. So it has not been easy, but I'm happy that I've been able to pull through, and I thank you all so much for coming along with me throughout this Vlogmas series. I so much appreciate, like, I'm happy. Thank you all so much. Please share my videos, like, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button. I'll be sharing simple, easy recipes that are very delicious and affordable. So come along with me on this journey. And once in a while I chip in healthy options here and there. So I hope you will love it here. So I just dropped one of the chinchin dough into the oil, and I saw that it was already very hot. Then I went ahead to start frying my chinchin. And the way the texture is, you don't have to bother about it clumping together at all, because the texture was just perfect. So you stir slightly gently and let it fry, and stir at intervals until you get your desired golden brown. Immediately you get your desired golden brown, start bringing them out of the oil, because as it settles down, it gets darker. So take note of that while you fry. Transfer into a kitchen towel lined strainer so that it will drain out all the excess oil. And then transfer into this bigger basket. And this is what we have: very crunchy, very milky, very nice, everything you need. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.